Hey guys, Daniel here. I just want to share a story with you of a young kid from a little suburb called Calstonia, a very affluent but humble place in New Zealand. If you know anything about New Zealand, if I mention Calstonia, you're probably laughing. It's probably, you know what it's all about. It's not actually Calstonia. But yeah, I came from that little suburb. And I remember as a little kid, because as I was reading this particular book, I was looking back on my journey, coming through my online journey and through my schooling, because I wasn't a very, very good student in terms of taking on the knowledge that was presented to me in that type of style. So I actually repeated a year or so in high school. I barely scraped through high school. And I just, straight out of high school, I actually went, first half of my working career, I actually worked in factories. I had factory jobs. But deep down I knew that I could have more. I should be more. And I went on a pursuit of learning certain online home-based activities in terms of reading material to improve my self-development, my mindset. And I started hanging around people who had what I wanted and the knowledge that I needed to actually improve myself, to actually improve my lifestyle for my wife and my family and my children. And to this day I'm still pursuing that. So that was a goal of mine from a few years ago, and until now, until my journey has come to this stage where I wanted to leave generational wealth for my children. I just didn't want to hand them over certain assets that I accumulated. I wanted them to actually know how to accumulate this wealth by leading by example. So, like I say, I invested in myself. I invested in mentorship, and being around a group of entrepreneurs, a group that actually uplifts each other, inspires each other by helping each other and serving each other within this environment, by the leadership of two outstanding 8-figure and 7-figure mentors that have helped us and shares with us on a weekly basis, a daily basis, how we can actually change our lives, change our families' lives in the long term and for forevermore. Like 2-3 generations deep, this is what we want to accomplish. So I share this with you and share to you that who I am. I am Daniel Gabriel, a 47-year-old man who's aspiring to show his children a path where they can, even if they fail, they can actually lift themselves up, continue on a journey and say, Dad or Mum, it's alright, I got your back. So this is what I wanted to leave for my children. Long term. So hopefully this can share by sharing who I am. It inspires you. If you're at this stage of your life, you're thinking like 45, 46, 47, there's no hope, you're just going to keep working for the 9 to 5. Well, there is options out there. If you wanted to pursue them, definitely. Inspired to go to where you want to go, what you're dreamed of. Don't limit yourself. So hopefully this little message that I was sharing of who I am, Daniel Gabriel, originally from New Zealand, but now living in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia, that life can be a lot more than what you expect once you accumulate the knowledge and surround yourself with the people who you want to be like and who you want to enjoy your company, enjoy their company, and being able to leverage their knowledge and experience to take you where you want to be. So this is Daniel Gabriel from Queensland, Australia, wishing you all the best, and be great and be humble and help as many people, help as many families as you can while you're around. Be great, guys, and I'll see you guys on the top, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Thank you. Bye-bye.